Hey, my name is Oliver. If you don't know me yet, I manifested my dream career as an artist selling over 200,000 worth of my own art, manifested my dream girl, traveling all around the world, and much more cool things, like also manifested my dream physique. So the first thing that you have to do is, like, if you actually want to manifest your desires and you want to make affirmations and your visualizations work, you have to stick with it for at least 25 to 30 days. Yes, you hear me. You probably heard it before. We talk about habits, and habits take time to develop, right? Everything that you currently do or think or feel is a product of habit. You did it so many times that it's now second nature. It's who you are, right? The way you're thinking, the way you feel most of the time, what you do is a product of what you've been practicing over months and years, right? It's not just happening by accident. So also your reality happened because of your habits. So it's extremely important to understand that, because sometimes in the manifestation space, we think that we just need to think about what we want for a little bit, for a few days, for 7 days, or we do it 3 days and then we stop it and then we start again and then we are wondering why is it not happening. In order to change your brain, to change your neural pathways, you actually have to put in some focus, discipline, and effort, right? You actually have to do it over a period of time. If you start and stop all the time, it's just going to take longer. And if you want to manifest your dreams, your desires in record speed, you have to really stick with it, right? You have to take it serious. Take it serious in a way like use your discipline, commit to it, and do it for 30 days straight. And here's the other thing. If you do it wrong for 30 days, don't expect your dreams to come into your reality. And I talk about this in a lot of my videos. It's like, if you focus on your dreams for 30 days, you do it right? You build a new habit. But in actuality, instead of thinking about what you want, you constantly get triggered to think about what you don't want. You focus on your dream, you focus on making 10, 20,000 or your SP, your dream partner, but somehow you feel bad thinking about it. That means that you in actuality don't believe that you can get it. So what you really focus on is the lack of it. So in 30 days, you will get more lack, right? So it's important that you actually do something that you believe in. And if you want to know more about this technique that I learned from Napoleon Hill, click in the video. I think it's in the link below or somewhere up there, where I'm talking about burning desire and belief. Because if you have these two things on a high level, you are going to manifest it way faster. And then visualizing that thing for 30 days is going to manifest it guaranteed. It's like crazy fast results. But you have to do something where you have burning desire and you really believe you can get it, right? And as I said, I explained it in another video in depth. So click on there, watch it if you don't know how it works. And then you can actually define something, one thing that you have burning desire for and you really believe in. So this is the best thing that you can focus on. This is the one thing you should focus on, because you will manifest it the fastest in your life. And if you then visualize it for 30 days, or if you have affirmations to remind you of your desire, what you want to manifest, then it's going to come, because you're actually rewiring your brain to focus on what you want. If it's, for example, if it's money, your brain will be so focused on money and will start seeing opportunities everywhere, and you start actually also attracting circumstances into your life that will bring you there, right? You suddenly meet the right people, you get the right contacts, you're in the right place at the right time. All these things start happening because you're rewiring your brain and you start using the law of attraction in your favor, right? So it's important. Have something that you have a burning desire for, you believe in, and then focus on it for 30 days. And if you ask me how to visualize it or how to do affirmations, very simple. Visualization, you create a scene of the wish, the desire already fulfilled. If you want to live in your dream apartment, see yourself with your partner, or if you're alone, see yourself alone in the apartment celebrating, popping the champagne or whatever you do to celebrate. And you're in your new apartment and you're so freaking excited. If you want to manifest money, see the money on your account, or like count the money in cash, like actually visualize yourself counting the money, or see the number on your account if that works better for you, and then feel how that feels, right? Do that for 30 days. And you need to feel good when you do it, by the way. If you feel bad focusing or visualizing what you want, as I said, then you don't truly believe you can get it yet. So don't focus on it. Focus on something that you can actually believe in, and later on, when you manifest more, you build more confidence, you will raise your belief, and you will be able to believe things that are bigger, let's say, right? And an affirmation, same thing. It's like, I'm living in my dream apartment. I love I love the big windows. I feel so great in my luxurious dream apartment in Bulgaria, or like whatever. You can start making affirmations that trigger the thought and the image of your desire. Or it's like, I am now making 10,000 per month, or I am now making 25,000 a month, or I have now 58,000 on my bank account. I am now debt free. These are ways how you can manifest your desire. It's like you do the affirmation, or you do the visualization, or you do both, right? Both is even better. So you can visualize in the morning, in the evening before you go to sleep, and you do the affirmations during the day. If you do this for 30 days, you will manifest your desire as long as you believe it. Very important to say that. And if you want to stick with it for 30 days, make it easy for yourself. Don't make it too big. Don't visualize in the morning for half an hour and in the evening half an hour. Do it like for 5-10 minutes and do some affirmations during the day. This will be enough to manifest your desire. But you have to actually believe it, you have to feel it, and you need to get excited about it. After 30 days, your brain will rewire. And by the way, quick disclaimer. It doesn't mean that your dream will manifest within the 30 days. I cannot control that, you cannot control that. But what I can promise you is that in 30 days, your mind will be changed, your frequency will be changed, and it will be just like radiating your desire out into the world. And what will come back to you is exactly what you want. So be patient. Don't expect in 30 days that it will happen. Maybe it happens sooner, maybe it happens in 30 days, maybe it takes a little bit more. But it doesn't matter, because fact is your desire will become true. It will become true. So don't worry about the timing. It will come true, 100% guaranteed. If you are doing your part and you're committed to your dream, you're committed to your desire, and you actually put in the work to visualize it, to say it, to see it, to feel it every single day for 30 days. Okay? Hope this video helps. That's a shorter video, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you don't know my community yet, click the link below, check out my community. It's an amazing community with lots of these exercises, an in-depth program of how you can manifest your dreams, and many more cool things. My name is Oliver. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.